In 37 years of forecasting, I've never seen the GFS and European models flip this dramatically, from 15% snow probability to 78% in just 24 hours. 3 independent forecast centers now show accumulating snow from Houston to Charlotte this weekend, with surface temperatures dropping 35 degrees below normal. The jet stream has locked into a negative tilt pattern at 500 millibars, driving Arctic air to the Gulf Coast while pulling moisture north at 850 millibars. Current GOES 16 satellite data shows the upper level low at 43 degrees north, 87 degrees west, moving southeast at 15 knots toward the Tennessee Valley. Surface pressure maps reveal a 1,032 millibar high building over Montana, while a 998 millibar low develops over East Texas by Saturday, 6 p.m. The thermal gradient from New Orleans to Atlanta will reach 8 degrees Celsius per 100 kilometers, the threshold for explosive cyclogenesis. NAM high-resolution model shows snow beginning Dallas 8 a.m. Saturday, reaching Shreveport by 2 p.m., Jackson by 8 p.m., and Birmingham midnight Sunday. ECMWF ensembles increased accumulation forecast 340% overnight. Dallas now shows 2 to 4 inches versus yesterday's trace amounts. The 850 millibar temperature line drops to -8 Celsius across Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia, cold enough for snow at surface elevation. Wind speed at 300 millibars exceeds 140 knots from Texas to the Carolinas, creating upper-level divergence that enhances surface low-pressure development. Precipitable water values spike to 25 to 30 millimeters across the Gulf states, 150% above normal for January, fueling heavy precipitation rates. Before diving into city-specific forecasts, let me know your location in comments for personalized snow timing and accumulation details. Subscribe for hourly model updates as this rare southern snow event develops. I'll be posting real-time changes as computer guidance evolves. The lifted index drops to -6 across Louisiana and Mississippi, indicating strong atmospheric instability that enhances snowfall rates. Current 500 millibar vorticity values exceed 30 times 10 to the power of -5 per second from Oklahoma to Georgia, supporting rapid low-pressure intensification. SREF ensemble data shows 70% probability of 2+ inches from Shreveport to Augusta, with 40% chance of 4+ inches in a narrow corridor. Surface dew points drop from 65 degrees Fahrenheit in New Orleans to 15 degrees Fahrenheit in Nashville over 36 hours, creating the dry slot necessary for snow formation. The 1,000 to 850 millibar thickness values fall below 1,300 meters across Alabama and Georgia, the critical threshold for surface snow. RAP model shows convective available potential energy near zero, eliminating thunderstorm competition and favoring stratiform snow. Friday, 6 p.m., 850 millibar. Temperatures reach -5 degrees Celsius in Oklahoma City, -2 degrees Celsius in Dallas, setting up Saturday's snow outbreak. Saturday, 12 a.m., surface low pressure 1,004 millibars over Abilene, Texas, deepening to 996 millibars by 12 p.m. over Shreveport. Saturday, 6 a.m., snow line extends from Wichita Falls through Tyler, Texas, with visibility dropping to 0.5 miles in moderate snow. Saturday, 12 p.m., heavy snow, axis Dallas to Longview, with snowfall rates 0.5 to 1.0 inches per hour and surface temperatures 28 to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Saturday, 6 p.m., snow expands into Louisiana as surface low deepens rapidly. Central pressure falls 8 millibars in 6 hours. Sunday, 12 a.m., Birmingham reports 32 degrees Fahrenheit with moderate snow as 850 millibar temperatures reach -6 degrees Celsius, optimal for accumulation. Sunday, 6 a.m., Atlanta surface temperature 29 degrees Fahrenheit with light snow beginning as thermal boundary reaches I-20 corridor. Sunday, 12 p.m., Charlotte experiences first flakes as surface low reaches 992 millibars offshore, pulling moisture up the coast. Houston probability breakdown. 45% chance any snow, 25% accumulation, 10% over 1 inch. Best window Saturday 4 to 10 p.m. northwest suburbs. San Antonio forecast 55% snow probability, 35% accumulation likelihood, 15% over 2 inches. Peak timing Saturday 6 p.m. to midnight. Dallas-Fort Worth update, 68% snow chance, 50% measurable accumulation, 25% over 3 inches. Heaviest snow Saturday 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Shreveport analysis, 78% snow probability, 60% accumulation, 35% over 4 inches. Extended snow event Saturday 2 p.m. through Sunday 6 a.m. Jackson, Mississippi outlook, 75% chance snow, 55% accumulation, 30% over 3 inches. Prime timing Saturday 8 p.m. through Sunday 8 a.m. Birmingham forecast confidence, 82% snow probability, 65% accumulation, 40% over 2 inches. Snow Saturday 11 p.m. to Sunday 11 a.m. Atlanta metro projections, 71% chance of snow, 52% accumulation, 28% over 1 inch. Window Sunday 3 a.m. through 3 p.m. Augusta, Georgia forecast, 76% snow likelihood, 58% accumulation, 32% over 2 inches. Heavy snowburst possible Sunday 6 to 10 a.m. Columbia, South Carolina odds, 73% snow chance, 55% accumulation, 30% over 3 inches. Extended event Sunday 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Charlotte prediction, 69% snow probability, 48% accumulation, 22% over 1 inch. Timing, Sunday 10 a.m. through Monday 2 a.m. Raleigh-Durham analysis, 65% chance snow, 42% accumulation, 18% over 1 inch. Window Sunday 2 p.m. through Monday 8 a.m. Richmond forecast, 62% snow probability for Sunday evening as coastal low strengthens to 988 millibars offshore. Norfolk snow chances increase to 58% Sunday night with northeasterly flow at 850 millibars, bringing moisture inland. Temperature crash analysis. New Orleans drops from 72 degrees Fahrenheit Friday to 28 degrees Fahrenheit Monday morning. 44-degree plunge in 72 hours. Mobile, Alabama. Friday high 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Crashes to Sunday low 24 degrees Fahrenheit, with sub-freezing temperatures lasting 42 consecutive hours. Pensacola temperature timeline, Friday 65 degrees Fahrenheit high to Sunday 22 degrees Fahrenheit low, threatening citrus crops and outdoor plumbing systems. Orlando freeze warning. Temperatures drop to 26 degrees Fahrenheit Monday morning, with frost forming across central Florida agricultural areas. Second Arctic blast, Monday, 850 millibar. Temperatures plunge to minus 18 degrees Celsius across the Midwest. Minus 12 degrees Celsius reaching Tennessee. Chicago wind chill forecast. Air temperature, 8 degrees Fahrenheit, with 25 miles per hour northwest winds, creates minus 28 degrees Fahrenheit wind chill Monday morning. Minneapolis Arctic conditions. Actual temperature, minus 15 degrees Fahrenheit, with 30 miles per hour winds generates minus 45 degrees Fahrenheit wind chill values. Nashville, unusual cold. Monday high, only 18 degrees Fahrenheit. Tuesday high, 16 degrees Fahrenheit. Coldest consecutive days since February 2021. Atlanta freeze duration. Sub-freezing temperatures from Sunday 8 p.m. through Tuesday 10 a.m. to 62 consecutive hours below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Snow accumulation modeling. GFS shows 4 to 7 inches Louisiana-Mississippi border, 2 to 5 inches Alabama-Georgia, 1 to 3 inches Carolinas. European model conservative, 2 to 4 inches Mississippi-Alabama, 1 to 2 inches Georgia, trace to 1 inch Carolinas, keeping heaviest snow south. Canadian model aggressive, 3 to 6 inches from Shreveport to Birmingham, 2 to 4 inches Atlanta to Augusta, 1 to 3 inches Charlotte area. UKMET model solution. Coastal track with 2 to 5 inches Carolinas, 3 to 6 inches Georgia, lighter amounts Alabama, Mississippi. Ensemble mean accumulations. 3.2 inches Shreveport, 2.8 inches Jackson, 2.1 inches Birmingham, 1.6 inches Atlanta. High-resolution NAM shows heavy snow band 50 miles wide from East Texas to South Carolina, with 1 to 2 inch per hour rates. Snow to liquid ratios, 12-to-1 ratio expected due to dry air aloft and surface temperatures near 30 degrees Fahrenheit during heaviest snowfall. Visibility forecasts, less than 0.25 miles in heavy snow from Louisiana to Georgia, improving to 0.5 miles in moderate snow. Wind impact analysis. Northeast winds 15 to 25 miles per hour create blowing snow, reducing visibility further and increasing drifting. Road surface temperatures. Pavement temps 34 to 36 degrees Fahrenheit at snow onset, dropping to 28 to 30 degrees Fahrenheit, enabling rapid accumulation on roads. Travel impact timing. I-20 corridor hazardous, Saturday 6 p.m. through Sunday 6 p.m., with worse conditions Saturday night to Sunday morning. Aviation delays probable. Atlanta, Charlotte, Raleigh, Durham airports facing 2 to 4 hour delays Sunday with potential cancellations. Power outage risk. Heavy wet snow combined with 25 miles per hour winds threatens power lines, especially in Georgia and Carolinas. School closure probability. 85% chance Birmingham, 75% Atlanta, 70% Charlotte Monday due to icy road conditions. Salt truck availability. Louisiana has 28 trucks statewide, Mississippi 45, Alabama 62. Insufficient for widespread event. Third Arctic wave, January 24th to 25th. Models show 850 millibar temperatures dropping to minus 20 degrees Celsius across Great Lakes region. Extended pattern. Negative Arctic Oscillation Index maintains cold through month end with multiple snow opportunities northern states. Analog years 1978, 1985, 2014 show similar patterns producing major snow events 7 to 10 days after initial southern snow. Northeast lake effect enhancement. Post-Arctic passage generates 1 to 3 feet additional snow downwind of Great Lakes through January 25th. Preparation checklist. 72-hour food/water supply. Backup heating. Pipe insulation. Full fuel tanks. Charge devices essential. Medical. Agricultural alerts. Livestock shelter. Crop protection. Pipe insulation critical across Gulf Coast through Tennessee Valley. Model update schedule. Next major guidance 8 p.m. tonight with high-resolution NAM/HRRR available every 3 hours. Confidence increasing. 24-hour trend shows consistent strengthening signal across all major forecast models for weekend event. Forecast verification. Similar setups produce 2 to 6 inch snows 73% of time historically from Texas to Carolinas. Bust potential exists. 27% chance event fails due to track shift, insufficient cold air, or moisture limitation. Critical timing window. 12-hour period, Saturday evening through Sunday morning, determines success or failure of snow event. Real-time updates. Follow model trends every 6 hours. Significant changes possible through Friday evening. Social media monitoring. Share ground truth reports using hashtag SouthernSnow2025 for crowdsourced verification. Emergency communications. Ensure multiple contact methods as cellular towers may experience weather-related disruptions. Historical context. If verified, this would rank among top 5 January snow events for Gulf Coast since 1900. Economic impact potential. Transportation shutdowns could cost affected region $2 to $5 billion in lost productivity. Climate perspective. Arctic oscillation remains negative, favoring continued cold pattern through February 15th. Long-range outlook, multiple storm systems possible late January as jet stream maintains amplified configuration. Verification process. Post-event analysis will examine model performance and improve future southern snow forecasting. Public safety priority. When in doubt, avoid travel Saturday evening through Sunday afternoon across potential impact zone. Regional differences. Eastern track favors Carolinas. Western track benefits Louisiana, Mississippi. Central track hits Alabama, Georgia. Timing sensitivity. 6-hour delay in system arrival could shift heavy snow zone 200 miles east or west. Final forecast confidence. 72% chance of accumulating snow somewhere from East Texas to Carolinas this weekend. Tomorrow's update includes refined accumulation maps, adjusted timing, and travel impact details for specific interstate corridors.